Welcome to the real streets of Nairobi, Kenya. If you've never really explored the Nairobi CBD, this video is going to be the best video for you to see. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I am on the Uptown side of the streets of Nairobi, and today we are testing just how clean the Nairobi streets are. So if you haven't watched part 1, go and watch it, where I showed more of the downtown side of Nairobi. In this video, I will be showing you more of the Uptown side of Nairobi. Let's test just how clean downtown and Uptown is compared to each other, and let's discuss on the comment section. Is Nairobi selectively clean? Do you think Nairobi, like the government, tries to keep it clean, or is Nairobi selectively clean? Do you feel like every time you come to the CBD, some parts are clean and some parts are not? Yeah, so let's discuss that, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And yeah, that's it guys. Let me know without bias, is Nairobi clean or not? No bias, okay? The clean side of Nairobi, and let's see if there's any bias, if Nairobi is selectively clean or Nairobi is just not Nairobi anymore. Okay, so guys, we are on the other side of Nairobi, which is a bit clean. So let's explore, let's see. You guys let me know, is Nairobi selectively clean? So let's just take a couple of videos here and see what is going on here. So this side we have the Absa Bank. I don't want to take a video because obviously. So here we have a lot of beauty. We have like the beauty essence shop there. We have Java. Here we have Top Time in this street. We have Vivo. Yeah. So this is also, again, like the trees are also like, this is a season where trees are shedding a lot. So, you know, it could be a bit kind of looking dirty, but it's not actually like dirty. Yeah, so I'm seeing guys are filming over there, like photographers. And one of the beautiful things about Nairobi is that there's like filming allowed on some parts of the CBD. So that side is like the office government, so obviously no filming. Sasa upoa na wewe? Uko huko? Umesharauka? Hata mimi na shoot. Si leo aki. Leo hata mimi na film. Niko kazi hata mimi. Si leo, next time. But all the best leo. Yeah. So that's the Court of Kenya ICC building. This is the side where there's the government offices, so I'm sure like filming is not allowed. So let's just explore this other side. So you see this other side, apart from the trees shading and just a couple of like paper, the streets are actually kind of clean. Okay, so this is Wabera Street. Wabera Street. Yes, this is Wabera Street. I was right. Yes, I was right. Okay, let's just take a snap of it because I was right. Yeah. Okay. I like that I was right about it. So let's go. So there's this other side. I don't know if there's the government offices there, but I don't want to risk it. So let's use this other side. So as you can see, that side is actually really clean. And I want to focus on that side. That's like, I'm used to filming on that side. So let me take an intro video. So this is the uptown side of town of CBD, yeah? And we have the Bank of India over there. like I said, most banks do not like to be filmed. So if anyone sees this from the Bank of India, please, you are just in my frame, okay? And then there's the Hasteaway chicken. Let me zoom in. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Azul.
Azuri.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I came for the event at KCC.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's happening at KCC?
There's an event.
Yeah?
A pasting event.
Pasting?
Yeah, pastings.
What's that?
Let me show you. Link. Let me show you on Instagram. Like this first.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Pastings. Oh,
Pastings.
okay, okay, yeah.
Are you an influencer?
Sort of, but I'm more of a YouTuber.
YouTuber, wow, that's
Yeah.
nice. What's your YouTube?
Miss Winnie Kenya. You can check it out.
Let me see.
What's your name?
Azul.
Azul.
Azul
Okay.
Suleiman.
I had Azuri, so I was like,
I'm literally strolling around.
Yeah?
Because the event was supposed to start at 8 and I don't want to be early.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's Miss with MS.
MS.
No, MS. Not yeah, MS space Winnie. Yeah, just search like Kenya. Because I do most videos about like Nairobi vlogs and all that. Yeah, that's.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah.
Wow, you look so good.
Thank
You
you.
even look better than
Really?
look better.
I do.
Yeah.
Thank
so
you.
Where are you heading to?
So now I'm just taking like a walk. So this vlog is about I'm comparing downtown and uptown. So I'm asking like, is Nairobi selectively clean? Do you think Nairobi is selectively clean?
I do, but there's some parts like where I was literally.
Yeah, no that. Yeah, so clean. But what about downtown?
It's untidy.
Very.
It's so untidy.
Yeah, there's like street people sleeping around.
I literally met people
Yeah,
sleeping under.
I know,
And
right?
then they were like saying, they were telling the cops that
They don't have.
And then they were talking bad.
Yeah?
They were calling them like, you know, like this. How can I say it in a good manner? Like inappropriate words.
Yeah,
literally.
yeah.
And then like the police came and then they ran. So I came all the way laughing.
Yeah.
I'm also walking around. I
Yeah?
actually don't want to.
We can walk around if you want.
Yeah, sure. I
Yeah.
don't mind. The other part they're saying Kenya is so untidy.
Oh, wait. I saw.
Yeah, there's also a marathon.
Okay.
I just came from Mombasa yesterday.
You live in Mombasa?
Yeah, I live in Mombasa.
Mombasa.
I could tell you to
Wait,
explain my
the
tribe.
speed is high. Yeah? To you? Yeah,
dad's
Suleiman.
Suleiman, yeah.
Uh-huh.
2 accounts basically.
Mm-hmm.
And then they asked me. Yeah, so like I was at Mombasa for a couple of let's say offices of the government.
Yeah.
The place is so clean. So
Yeah.
tidy.
Yeah.
And when you go to the other parts, most of them are not so
So like, look at this.
the clean parts.
Yeah.
I don't know, but it looks so good.
I've seen like the downtown side of like Johannesburg.
Yeah.
It's also like our downtown.
I guess they're only people fit.
Hey guys, I'm
Hi.
here with Azul Suleiman. You should be a content creator because you're so well spoken.
I like speaking to people.
Yeah.
I like making new friends.
Yeah.
Like how I met you.
Yeah.
We're speaking.
Right,
No,
right,
I
yeah.
didn't. And she's so amazing. She's so kind and she's so pretty. We have
Thank you.
literally been talking all the way and she's so good.
So what's the event about?
Biggest and nicest event here at Nairobi.
Yeah?
That is going to shake Nairobi down. Many people.
So what is it about exactly? Is it like dancing, talent?
Dancing,
Yeah?
yeah, content creators,
Mm-hmm.
dancers, DJs. Miss High School Uganda is
Oh,
coming.
I actually competed for Miss High School Kenya in like 2013.
There.
Back in the day.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So why is there not like Miss High School Kenya?
They're
Huh? Is there?
the event. They're hosting like the people who want to participate
Yeah.
for Miss High School Kenya.
Yeah.
I literally want to see who will win it.
That will be fun to see.
It'll be fun because you can even see like people voting for the majority of maybe like in Kenya.
Yeah.
Many people vote for is it the body or Some people who
I think it's more like I mean, I don't know what you Gen Z's like right now, because you guys are more like into
but some people who take advantage of their prettiness, they are rude. Have you met some girls here at Nairobi?
I mean, it's you guys who usually put them on a pedestal.
Because they want to feel pretty now.
I know, but well, I think like your generation more of like hype, because I see like most of the influencers who are like TikTokers, they are more. You don't have to really be pretty. It's more of like the sex appeal.
And the energy.
Mostly the sex appeal.
Mostly,
Like how you can dance, your vibe,
your fashion,
how sexy you are. Like you guys have that. So.
I think that here in Nairobi, the finest body here in Nairobi, like what a girl is supposed to have, what people see.
Yeah.
Thin, I don't know. I can't even explain, because if you look at the
is it really thin? Okay, maybe let's say selectively.
Face, yeah, selectively.
Yeah, because I think like a lot of time Americanized, because they're not like in America. Like someone like Gigi Hadid is everybody's cup of tea, and she's skinny, right?
She's so good and she's so hot.
Yeah, you see?
Yeah.
But here in Kenya, people might think like she's too tall, too skinny.
Yeah.
Maybe someone will date her because she's very pretty.
You know Lexi Rivera?
Who?
Lexi
Rivera, I've heard of that. What is she?
She's a YouTuber, a TikToker, and she's so good. And oh my god, I can't even describe.
Describe her. Is she like average height? Short. Okay.
Not that big, but big.
Does she dance?
Yeah, she does.
Yeah, I know you guys like that dancing part. You guys really like it.
Yeah, you have to dance.
Yeah.
You should know.
Like, don't you guys have beds?
I know some people are supposed to. No, but
even if it's a single room, like in Kibera, what? Like, I don't get it. Like I know like the poor Dogo. Like I know those are like slums here.
Yeah.
You can find a room worth 300 bob, even if there's no electricity. Of which, like the person who is sleeping here doesn't need electricity, right?
Subscribe.
Yeah.
You subscriber.
This person probably doesn't have an iPhone, right? Or like a camera, so they don't need like Wi-Fi or electricity. They can just get a room where they can be sleeping in. Why does it look so plain? This Givenchy.
So basic.
So basic. Like Uhuru Park is better. Have you been to Uhuru Park on Sundays?
I haven't.
It's so full. Like,
really?
Everybody is there. People are sleeping. People are there on dates.
Eating, picnic.
Eating, picnic.
A really amazing girl there. She is white.
Yeah.
She's so good and she was so kind, but she didn't know the way.
Ah.
Yeah. She was telling me, where can I go to church, to the Ethiopian church? She said.
Oh.
She's with Natalia. Is it Natalia or Natalia?
Where did you meet her?
I met her at the other side, near Uhuru Park.
It could be Natalia. Okay, there's police here. I just don't want trouble. Why is this blocked?
Because of the marathon.
Oh.
Look at